Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Cub Cadet wiring harness is probably one of the most important components in your garden equipment, ensuring the smooth and safe operation of your mower, ensuring all the electrical components are correctly connected and functioning as intended. A faulty harness can lead to malfunctions, safety hazards, and costly repairs, so choosing the right one is crucial for maintaining peak performance and longevity of your Cub Cadet equipment. This video will guide you through the process of selecting and installing the perfect wiring harness for your needs. Number 5. Cub Cadet 925-06261 Harness. This is the Cub Cadet 925-06261 harness, an essential part for your lawn tractor. It's designed for a perfect fit and reliable performance. This is a genuine Cub Cadet part, ensuring quality and compatibility. The OEM number is 925-06261, and it also replaces 725-06261. If your old harness is 725-06261, this is the perfect replacement. It's built to the same high standards as the original. It's compatible with several Cub Cadet models. Check your owner's manual to confirm if it fits your machine. Always refer to your owner's manual for a complete list of compatible models. This will ensure you get the right part for your equipment. This harness is designed for straightforward installation. However, if you have any questions, consult your owner's manual or a qualified technician. What we like. This is a genuine Cub Cadet part, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance. It comes with a warranty for added peace of mind. If you value authenticity and want a guaranteed fit for your Cub Cadet, this is the one for you. What people say. It fit perfectly. Fit and work very well as lawn mower is cranking and running as should. This is exactly as the one I pulled off. Number 4. HD High Voltage Switch Ignition Kit. This kit provides a high-quality solution for repairing your ignition switch wire harness. It's engineered for superior performance and ease of installation. It's built with premium components to ensure a long-lasting repair. You'll get a reliable and durable solution for your mower or tractor. Everything you need is right here: 7 wires with crimped terminals, a connector, but connectors, and corrugation. No need to source parts separately. This kit is designed for 7-terminal, 4-position switches only. Please double-check your switch type before ordering. It will not work with 5-terminal, 3-position switches. We process all orders placed before 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on the same day. Get your kit quickly and get back to mowing. This kit is designed for a straightforward installation process. You can easily repair your ignition system and get your equipment back up and running. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need to repair your existing harness, saving you money compared to a full replacement. It's designed for quick and easy installation. If you're on a budget and handy with repairs, this kit is a great option. What people say. Fix a trottoir worked great. Lawn mower electrical super salvage. In case the switch connections suffered some heat, you don't need to replace the complete harness. Very helpful and easy to install. Fits Vic Cadet 2042. Number 3. Cub Cadet Main Harness. This is the Cub Cadet main harness, an essential part for your lawn mower. It's crucial for the electrical system's proper function. This harness carries the OEM part number 925-04847C. This ensures it's a genuine Cub Cadet replacement part. It's a versatile replacement, compatible with several previous part numbers, ensuring a seamless fit for various models. This part is designed to fit several RZT series mowers, including the RZT42, RZT50, RZT50VT, and RZT54. Check your owner's manual for compatibility. By using this genuine Cub Cadet part, you're ensuring your mower runs smoothly and efficiently. It's a simple way to maintain peak performance. While we recommend consulting your owner's manual, installation of this part is typically straightforward. Get your mower back up and running quickly. What we like. As an original Cub Cadet part, it's designed specifically for RZT series mowers, guaranteeing a precise fit and seamless integration. It's built to last, offering superior reliability. If you own an RZT series mower and need a reliable replacement, this is your best bet. What people say. It came in neat wiring and seemed new. It wouldn't fit the RZT50, I had to splice a few wires and swap a few couplings to fit the switches. Number 2. Cub Cadet 925-06129 Harness. This essential harness is designed for various Cub Cadet Enduro series tractors. It ensures smooth operation of your machine. It seamlessly integrates electric PTO, RMC, and hour meter functionalities. Enjoy enhanced control and monitoring of your tractor's performance. This versatile harness is compatible with a wide range of Cub Cadet Enduro series tractors, including XT1 and XT2 models. Check your model for compatibility. As an original equipment manufacturer, OEM, part, it guarantees a perfect fit and reliable performance. It's also a direct replacement for part number 725-06129. Upgrade your tractor with this high-quality harness and experience improved efficiency and reliability. Keep your Cub Cadet running smoothly. Designed for easy installation, it will save you time and effort. Get back to work quickly. What we like. This harness is specifically designed for the PTO, RMC, and hour meter systems on XT, GX, and ST series tractors. It provides precise control over these critical functions. If you need a reliable harness for these systems, this is the right choice. What people say. Installation was a matter of plug and play. I do not believe this item required 2-box packaging. Number 1. Cub Cadet 725P06127C Harness. This is the Cub Cadet 725P06127C main electrical PTO harness, an essential part for your lawn tractor. It's designed for a seamless connection, ensuring optimal performance. This harness carries the official Cub Cadet OEM part number 725P06127C. It's a genuine replacement part, guaranteeing quality and reliability. It replaces several older part numbers, making it a convenient and versatile option for various models. This simplifies the ordering process for you. This PTO harness is compatible with a wide range of Cub Cadet models, including the XT1 and XT2 series. Check your model number for compatibility. It fits many popular Cub Cadet models, ensuring a perfect fit for your machine. This is a direct replacement for a smooth installation. By using this genuine Cub Cadet part, you ensure your lawn tractor operates at peak performance. It's a simple way to maintain your equipment. What we like. It's a complete main electrical harness for several XT, GT, and LX series models, offering a comprehensive solution for electrical issues. It simplifies the repair process by replacing the entire harness. If you need a complete replacement for a more extensive repair, this is the most convenient option. What people say. Exact match and not too complicated to replace. Fit well, attachment points lined up as needed, connectors appear to be correct and placed as needed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.